Hello, friends. Drinking a cup of this bedtime early morning got me losing so much fat. Like, I pooped all the bad stuffs out, my belly fat all down, and body in shape, healthy, energized. Like, this is so powerful. You want to try if you're looking to burn your fat and get your body in shape. Just try this recipe and you'll come back thanking me. So very quickly, the first thing I got this recipe from my boss, and I was so impressed as to how this helped her, and I had to try, and trust me, this is so worth it. Like, so it got me losing so much fat. So what you need is 2 bell peppers. These are antioxidants that boost the system to burn fat from effects of free radicals slowing down your metabolism. Drinking this helps to boost your metabolism to burn fat, like that rapid fat loss. These peppers, so you want to get 2 bell peppers, slice, and I will share with you how to go about these. These are equally loaded with a lot of vitamins and minerals to load your system up for utmost health. So you want your weight loss recipes healthy like this, so you in turn put in nutrients into your system as well for utmost health. And this is so yummy as well. So what you want to do is to slice up your pepper and set that aside. This boosts metabolism, and your system would turn into a fat burning machine. So that is it, set aside. The second ingredient I add is ginger to heat up the system to burn fat fast as well, because ginger is thermogenic and it has anti-inflammatory properties to help with that bloatedness, that gas in the tummy, making the tummy look bloated and so big. Ginger helps with that. So you fat a lot, you poop a lot, so all the gases in your tummy are out and you get your body all nice and in shape. Yeah, so this is it. Slice up the ginger and you set that aside. I'll equally tell you to always add ginger in your recipe, your meals, so they help you break down food easily, so nothing stores up causing belly fat and weight gain. So always add ginger in your recipes. Whatever you're cooking, add ginger as one of your spice, and trust me, you will easily digest that food. So this is the sliced ginger, 2 thumb sizes of ginger. You want to go ahead and add in the bell pepper, the 2 bell peppers. Add in 12 ounces of water. So you add in 12 ounces of water, or half a liter of water if you're using liters. Half a liter of water, and blend till it is all nice and smooth so you can get the juice out of it. This is powerful, plus I'll be adding 2 more ingredients to take this to the next level. So once you blend, you want to squeeze out the juice. So this is it, and you don't want to throw that pulp. That pulp is very powerful. Just add in a quarter size of pineapple in that pulp, and that is your fat burning breakfast smoothie. So you don't want to throw that pulp. Serve it up in your refrigerator and add pineapple and have it as your breakfast. Next thing I add is some lemon, and I get the juice from the lemon, and I'll be using the peel as well. Lemon contains citric acid, and we all know citric acid prevents fat accumulation in the system, as well as boosts the metabolism to burn fat so fast. So lemon water is good too. Lemon juice is good too if you want to burn your fat so fast. So this is the juice from 1 lemon. You want to set that aside. Now this is the peel. The peel is equally very medicinal at giving your tummy a thorough cleanse. So we want to get some tea out of this peel, and I'll be adding in one last ingredient to come up with the tea, and that is cinnamon. So if you don't have the cinnamon stick, you can use a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. If you don't have the cinnamon stick, the powder is gotten from the stick, ground from the stick. So this is to give your tummy a flush. This tea will give your tummy that flush, so everything goes out and you get your body all nice and in shape. So this is it. You want to add in 4 cups of water. I add in 4 cups of boiled water. So I easily just like get this to boil without it taking so long. So yeah, so I add in 4 cups of boiled water and boil for 20 minutes. So you boil for 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes you want to turn off your stove, allow it to cool down a little bit, and or just to cool down, or just watch out. You want to sieve it and allow it to cool down. You can leave it to cool down in your pot or your bowl, wherever. And yeah, so this is it. You want to sieve out that tea. This is very powerful. This tea, combined with the juice from the pepper and the ginger, you will come back thanking me, trust me. So now this is when you want to add in your juice into the tea. After the tea cools down, you want to add in the juice, and this is it. The last thing you want to add is the lemon juice. So this is the juice from the one lemon. Add it in the recipe, in the drink, and this is the very powerful juice to help you flush everything. It promotes digestion, your gut health, and like, this is so good. If you are that person who doesn't easily digest your food, this will help you to improve your digestion, help you to burn that fat super fast, and get your body all nice and in shape. Plus, you want to keep doing this recipe to maintain your size. After you lose that weight, continue doing this to burn your fat. So anyways, I'll get to that, but you want to drink a cup of this at bedtime, a large cup at bedtime, and trust me, by the next morning, you drink another cup the next day in the morning, you will pass out all that bad stuff out of your tummy, making you gain that weight, that belly fat, and get your body all nice and in shape. Trust me. Like, I don't joke with my recipes. They help me always have my tummy down, my body in shape. I just can't do without this, and I always stick with them because they help me maintain my size. After burning fat, I still keep drinking my different recipes, so they help me maintain my size. Yeah, so as I mentioned earlier, this will help you to improve your digestion, your gut health, boost your metabolism to burn fat so fast. If you have slow metabolism, this will boost it to burn fat so fast. This is so healthy, will leave a lot of nutrients into your system, cleanse your organs, and you stay so healthy and energized. So share the video with your family and friends. Come back and tell me how you feel about it, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.